you doing, guys? Welcome to our Cherokee repair share with another video, and today is going to be a quick little video. I'm just going to show you how to put your Dodge vehicle into neutral, okay? Because you can see if you try to turn on the ignition switch, whether it's accessory or the ignition, and you try to put the vehicle in neutral, no matter how many times you press it, the vehicle just stays in park. Let me try to focus the camera. Okay, so the way to override this is you're gonna turn the ignition switch off, and you're going to go to your center console here, okay, and you're going to locate this. Now on different Dodge vehicles it's a different process, but for this vehicle in particular, I'm going to put the details. You're going to go to your center console and you're going to lift this piece up, okay, with a screwdriver, but I just do it with my hand like that. Okay, set it to the side, and you're going to see a lock unlock mechanism here, which you're going to lift up so that the vehicle can go into neutral. And to do that, you're going to do it like this. You're going to lift it. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab this cable here, and you got to lift this up. But if you try to lift this up, it's going to give you some pressure because it's still locked up. You see this indicator here that says to unlock, you move this way. So you're going to take a screwdriver, okay, and you're going to basically put it in this area here. Let me try to do this and see if I can hold the camera at the same time. You're going to basically do that, okay, and at the same time you're going to lift this up because now you have unlocked it. Okay, you're gonna lift that up, put the screwdriver to the side, and you're gonna lift it up with this until it stays stationary like that. Okay, now if you go to your vehicle and turn it to the ignition switch, you're gonna see that the vehicle is in neutral, and now you can push it, you can tow it, or whatever you need to do, but now the vehicle is neutral and you have overridden the system. You're gonna notice that once you do that, you cannot turn the ignition switch off until you put the vehicle back in park. So to do that, you're going to basically, you're gonna feel that this cannot go down. So to do that, you're gonna have to unlock it again here. Let's see if I can do that with the camera. Just unlock it like you did. Let me see if I can do it. Okay, let me see if I can set the camera down. Going to need to get this. See, right now you can't really disengage it because it's creating pressure. You're going to lift it up a little bit more like that. Lift this up and then bring it back down to its lock position. And now you're able to turn the ignition switch off. So I hope this video helped you guys, and again, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, put any comments in the video, and also if you found this video useful, go ahead and give thanks, which is a small button on the bottom of this video to give a small donation so that I can keep making these videos. I'll gladly appreciate it. Thank you so much, and go ahead and keep driving.